Hi guys, this is Matthew again, and this is our third strategy for today, 1st of June 2022, and we'd like to say happy new month to you guys. Here we're going to be trading the volatility 75 index in, and before we proceed, for those who haven't purchased the TOUCHSCALPER automated trading bot, the June version for the 6.5 is out today, and you can see its rise and fall, and you can see it's all green right there. It's all green. You can see it's green right there. So this today, 1st of June 2022. The boat is just 9.99 USD. For those who haven't purchased the boat, all you have to do is visit www.touchscalper.ctytechnologies.com.ng to order the boat. There are so many payment options on the order page. Web money, perfect money, debit card, bank transfer, USDT, Ethereum, so many payment options on the order page. Just visit the order page to order the boat. The PIPSREAPER boat as well. This is the PIPSREAPER boat. The June version has also been updated and sent to all those who have previously purchased the boat. For those who haven't purchased the boat, it's just 7.99 USD. To order the boat, all you have to do is to visit binarypipsreaper.ctytechnologies.com.ng to order the boat. And don't forget to subscribe to all our channels for more updates. You can see the PIPSREAPER boat. You can see the results right here today. So these are the links again. This is the link to order the PIPSREAPER boat. This is the link to order the TOUCHSCALPER boat. Check the video description on YouTube. This is the link to sign up for a free trading account for those who don't have a trading account, and these are the links to subscribe to our channels. That's the first channel, this is the second channel, and this is the third channel. So don't forget to subscribe to all our channels. So let's get back to the trading. So we're going to be trading the volatility 75 index in and out, and we are using the web trader. So once you log into web trader, you go to trade, you open synthetic index volatility 75 index. So then you go to the trade type, you go to in and out, you click on it, then you are going to click on goes outside, then you leave the duration as 2 minutes. You set the high barrier offset to plus 943.5563, then you set the low barrier offset to minus 834.3404. Then you enter the amount you want to stake, depends on what you have in your account. So you are going to open the chart as well. You go to chart, then you go to synthetic indices volatility 75 index, you open the chart. So we are using normalized average true range indicator. You click on it. Once you go to all, this is the indicator right there, you click on it. So we're going to be clicking purchase. Once this thing is down, you can see it's down there, this color. Make sure you set this to 1 tick. You set this to 1 tick, then you drag this very close. So let me click on view right there. Let me click on view for us to see the okay. So make sure you drag this very close. We are using the down line, so it's when it's down, and you click on purchase. So this is the current spot, this is the high barrier, this is the low barrier. So you can see we already won that trade there. We already won that trade as it right there. So make sure you watch the down line before you click on purchase. This one right there, that's what you watch before you click on, but it has to be down before you click on purchase. Don't forget to subscribe to all our channels for more strategies. Thanks for watching. Bye.